Welcome to this guided meditation from Meditation Escapes. This session has been crafted to help you find calm and reduce anxiety before an exam. We'll work on easing your mind, fostering a sense of preparedness, and building your confidence to face your test with a clear and focused head. To start, find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Let your body begin to unwind as you keep your mind gently focused. Close your eyes and let go of the distractions around you, bringing your awareness inward. Now, let's begin with some deep, calming breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your lungs fill with air, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body relaxing more deeply and your mind settling into a peaceful state. Bring your attention to your mind's eye. Imagine a soft, warm, and calming light beginning to glow there. Feel this gentle light filling your mind, soothing any feelings of stress or worry about the upcoming exam. See this light as a source of calm, confident energy, ready to restore your sense of peace. Visualize this warm light flowing down from your mind through your neck and shoulders and all the way down your arms to your fingertips. Picture it dissolving any tension it touches. As you continue to feel this calm spreading through you, we will move on to some affirmations. Repeat them after me, either silently or out loud, to reinforce a mindset of confidence and clarity. I am prepared and focused. I release all anxiety and welcome a sense of calm. I trust in my knowledge and abilities. I am filling my body and mind with calm, confident energy. Let these feelings of confidence and peace settle within you for the next 10 seconds. Now, let's set an intention for your exam. Visualize yourself sitting for the test, feeling composed, focused, and in control. Take a moment to see yourself recalling information with ease and answering questions confidently. Feel a sense of gratitude for your hard work and your ability to stay calm under pressure. Gently and slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and sharp focus with you into the rest of your day and into your exam. Trust in your preparation and your ability to succeed. Take a few more seconds to come back to full awareness. Thank you for joining this meditation session. If this was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, Meditation Escapes. This helps us continue to create content to help you relax and find peace. May you carry this feeling of confidence and well-being with you